Dear students, in this session, we'll see the homogeneous linear equation with variable coefficients. There are two types of there. So, Euler's-Cauchy's equation and Legendre's equation. The Euler's-Cauchy's equation is of the differential equation of the type a naught x power n d power n of y divided by dx power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 of y divided by dx n minus 1 plus etc. a n y is equal to f of x. This f of x is a function of x, maybe or exponential function, algebraic function or trigonometric functions, and all other a's are constants, which is called an Euler's-Cauchy's equation. This equation 1 can be reduced to a linear form by changing the independent variable x into z. By using this substitution, z is equal to log x and x is equal to e power z. And for dy by dx, that can be replaced as dy by dz into dz by dx. We know that z is equal to log x. If we differentiate this one with respect to x, we get 1 by x. So 1 by x into dy by dz. That is, if we take the x to this side, so it will become x into dy by dx is equal to dy by dz. If you substitute, if you assume d by dz as d dash, it can be written as d dash of y. That is, x into d should be replaced is equal to d dash. Likewise, if you take the second derivative, we can replace x squared d squared is equal to d dash into d dash minus 1. Similarly, for the third derivative, we can replace x cube d cube y by dx cube is equal to d dash minus 1, d dash minus 2 into y, and likewise we can do this for n times. We'll see the problems based on Cauchy's equation. First sum, x squared d squared y by dx squared plus x into dy by dx minus 9y is equal to 10 plus 5 by x squared. So you want to solve this equation. So see this equation, this multiplied by the x values, and this is comes under the Cauchy's equation, and this can be write in the reduced form as x squared d squared plus x into d minus 9 of y is equal to 10 plus 5x squared. And what is the replacement should be done to reduce it to the linear form? Z is equal to log x and x is equal to e power z, and x squared d squared should be replaced as d dash into d dash minus 1, and x into dd should be replaced as d dash. And substitute all these in this equation, we can get instead of x squared d squared d dash minus 1 plus x into d dash minus 9 of y is equal to 10 plus, so 5 divided by, here is x squared is there. So the replacement for x is e power z. So x squared is e power 2ez. So it is in the denominator. If we take to the numerator, it will become the negative power. So e power minus 2ez. And if we multiply d dash to inside, and if we multiply it and cancel these two terms, we get as d dash squared minus 9 of y is equal to 10 plus 5 e power minus 2ez. So this is our reduced equation, and we want to solve this. First one, find the auxiliary equation of this equation, that is m squared minus 9 is equal to 0, and we find the values that m is equal to plus or minus 3, that is plus 3 and minus 3, and the complementary function is a e power plus 3ez plus b e power minus 3ez. To find the particular integral is equal to 1 divided by d dash squared minus 9 into this term, that is 10 plus 5 e power minus 2ez. You separate this term into two particular integrals, that is multiplying by 10 in this side. So you can put the e power 0ez multiplied by e power 0ez, that is called 1, plus next term 5 divided by this term into e power minus 2ez. So as usual, the replacement should be done for d dash as e power, that coefficient of z, that is 0, and d dash, here d dash should be replaced as e power minus 2, that is 2 should be replaced as minus d dash. And after replacement, we found that minus 10 divided by 9 plus 5 divided by d dash as minus 2 the whole squared is plus 4 minus 9, that is minus, if we cancel these two terms, we will get minus 1, that is minus e power minus 2ez. So this is the particular integral term. So after finding the particular integral, the complete solution can be written as y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Previously we found that complementary function is a e power 3z plus b e power minus 3z, and the particular integral is this term. So after writing in terms of z, you want to replace all the z terms into x forms. That is, e power 3z can be written as x cube plus b e power minus 3z, that is x to the power of minus 3 minus 10 by 9 minus e power minus 2z is x power minus 2. By taking all the negative powers to the positive, we can get that y is equal to ax cube plus b divided by x cube minus 10 divided by 9 minus 1 by x square. So this is the complete solution of the given question. And second sum, they have given x squared y double dash minus 3x y dash minus 5y is equal to cos of log x. So this can be written as x squared d squared minus 3xd minus 5 of y is equal to cos of log x. And we know that by Cauchy's equation, we want to reduce it to the linear form as by substituting x is equal to e power z is equal to log x squared d squared d dash minus d dash into d dash minus 1, and xt should be replaced as d dash. After replacing all these things, we get this one, cos of log x, that is log x should be replaced as ez, that is cos ez. So after this, d dash squared minus 4 d dash minus 5 of y is equal to cos z. This is a reduced form of the given equation. We need to solve this by writing first one as auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is m squared minus 4m minus 5 is equal to 0. After finding the factorization of this function, we can get m is equal to 5 and minus 1, and complementary function is a e power minus z plus b e power 5z. After finding the complementary function, we want to move to the particular integral is equal to 1 divided by d dash squared minus 4 d dash minus 5 into cos z. So for the trigonometric functions, we want to give the replacement only for the d dash squared. That is, d dash squared must be replaced as minus a squared. A is nothing but the coefficient of z is 1. That is minus 1 squared is minus 1, and that is should be replaced as d dash squared. So after giving the replacement for d dash squared, this term can be reduced like this one. After taking minus outside, we can solve this by multiplying the conjugate terms of numerator and the denominator. That is 4 d dash. The conjugate term is 4 d dash minus 6. After taking minus, it will be reduced to 4 d dash plus 6. And you want to multiply the conjugate term both numerator and denominator. So in the denominator term, we will reduce the a plus b into a minus b term as a squared minus b squared, and it will be reduced as 16 d dash squared minus 36. Again, you want to give the replacement for d dash squared, that is minus 1. This will be reduced like this, and we'll get the answer as minus 52. Minus and minus will get cancelled, and take cos z2 inside to the numerator. That is 1 by 52, 4 into d dash of cos z minus 6 cos z. So d dash means d by dz, that is the differentiation of cos z with respect to z. It will become minus sin z minus 6 cos z. That is, if you take 2 outside and cancel this and take minus outside, it will be reduced to minus 1 by 26 into 2 sin z plus 3 cos z. So this is a particular integral. After finding the particular integral, we go for the complete solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. That is y is equal to a e power minus z plus b e power 5z minus 1 by 26 2 sin z plus 3 cos z. So after replacing all the z terms into x form, that is a x to the power of minus 1 plus b x to the power of 5 minus 1 by 26 into 2 sin of log x, that is z can be replaced as log x plus 3 cos z can be replaced as log x. So finally we are getting the solution as y is equal to a by x plus b x power 5 minus 1 by 26 into 2 sin log x plus 3 cos log x. So this is the complete solution for the